small demonstration will now take place.
Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, tech reviews coming to you from rainy old England. Today I'm going to give you guys an easy way to update your HMS devices to Harmony OS early, and it will only work with certain devices, but I'm going to show you how to identify those, and you really must follow the steps in this video for it to work. Number one, make sure you're subscribed. Okay, you don't need to do that. But one thing I will say, full disclaimer, if you do decide to try this method, you do so at your own risk, although it's coming straight from Huawei, so it should be all good. You ready? Let's go. So if you have a Chinese device like this one, you'll have an app called My Huawei. This will open up, you can then select the China server. If you've got an English Huawei device like this, the P40, what you'll need to do is download the My Huawei app. And I will leave a link to the APK below this video so you guys can download it from my website. One thing you must do when you open the My Huawei app is the first time you log in, it will ask you to choose a region. Make sure you choose China. So once you get to this screen, my best advice to you guys to make sure you don't make any mistakes is get another phone like this and open Google Translate. What you can then do here at the top of Google Translate is select Chinese to English. And you can use your camera to actually look at the screen and instantly translate everything that's on screen. This is what I did. I spent ages doing this, and you'll see there that left box is actually early access beta. So let it translate, and it says try it now. So you can actually do that here on the devices. And the reason I'm showing you on two devices is because actually this model here, I looked at the model information. It's not actually in the list of devices, so I can't update this one just yet. But there's a way to find out if your device is compatible with the early beta, and I'll show you how to find out now. So basically, same thing I did here with the translate. Opened the camera, looked at all of this stuff to make sure I knew what was going on each page. So what you want to do here, for example, is you can see here, Mate 40, P40, Mate 30. You can see the same thing here. So here, Mate X2, of course, click that. This is a load of information that you should really read. But the important bit on this page is the model numbers. So if we do the same thing here, this is the P40 5G. If we go in there, you'll see as we scroll down, these are the compatible devices. So if your device doesn't appear in this list, you won't be able to use the beta right now. One way to find out if your device is in this list is actually go into your settings, go to About Phone, and here you'll be able to see the actual model number. So you can see mine is ELS NX9. Again, use your Google Translate to look at all of these pages, read through. At the bottom, you'll see these continue buttons. You go to those. More information that you need to read through about the beta, agree to those. Make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom. And then this is the last page. So this is the most important one. This is where it will tell you to check if your device is compatible, and it'll also tell you how the update will work. So once you click this, what will happen on a device that is compatible is you'll get the download. If you click on one that isn't compatible, you'll see it does absolutely nothing. There we go. It's installing the update here on the Mate X2. Unfortunately, we've got to wait for the P40 Pro. And there we have it, guys. Harmony OS here, ready to download 2.0.0.116, ready to go. We hit download and install. And as you can see, the update package will be deleted automatically after the update is complete. Harmony OS is a new paradigm smart operating system that's designed to ease and enrich your life, facilitating seamless coordination between your devices whilst bolstering privacy and security across the board. It's a versatile, all-scenario intelligence built to excel wherever life takes you. That sounds pretty promising. And a couple of things I do know about Harmony OS is it still kind of piggybacks on Android, but essentially there's a part of the software that requires very little RAM to run. So essentially all of your devices, whether it's smart scales, smartphones, smart watches, smart microwaves, they can all have this part of the code so that they can all work seamlessly together, more so than we've ever seen before with Huawei devices. So it could be a game changer. Essentially, Huawei are building an ecosystem to make your life easier if you buy into that ecosystem with all those compatible products. And there's a bunch of third-party manufacturers that are going to be on board with this as well. So it's not going to be just Huawei devices that will have this bit of code, the Harmony OS. It'll be lots of devices going forward. So let's just check that that all worked properly. If we go into settings, go to about, and you can see we are now officially on Harmony OS. This is the Mate X2. This is one of the first devices that it rolled out to. All of the other ones will be updated shortly as well, the proper way. So if this method didn't work for you, don't be discouraged. You will get the updates soon. And I'm thinking about doing a more in-depth review on the actual operating system itself in the future, once I've had some time to test it out. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications for that. I appreciate you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.
The rest is quite simple, really. Word has been leaked via the underworld grapevine